one that made it.
What up, guys? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? It's your girl Amy to the ZO freaking N. And yo, I know, like, don't hate me, okay? Don't beat me up. It's been like several days of no content, and it's crazy. I know, right? It's insane, you guys. I've been just up and about the whole place, and this vlog might just be all around the place, okay? So I'm just gonna put together all the Vlogmasses that I would have uploaded 3-4 days ago, okay, into one, and just boom, hit y'all with it. B-rolls of the things that you guys missed that I think you guys should see, because well, that's supposed to be part of the vlogs, but my day has just been, in this up and down type, circle. If you want to put down in the chat, it's gonna be like been going up and sloping down and all that good stuff. But if you're new, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, give a comment, leave a comment, yo. We're taking down these cornrows, you guys. I would have gone to my sister's salon to take down this cornrow, but that girl is gonna kill me because what? No, I have to take down these cornrows myself, wash my hair, do all that good stuff, and then go back to a salon for another cornrows. If you guys want to sponsor my Christmas hair, please send me a DM on Instagram. I am going to give you my DM. And send me money too. So maybe make Christmas hair. My sister is charging me like crazy for Christmas hair, yo. 2020 is coming to an end, yo. And I want to do a mukbang before this year ends. So yeah, expect a mukbang video. Let me know what kind of mukbang you want to see. Do you want to see a Nigerian food mukbang, Nigerian snack? You want to see continental? Just let me know in the comment section. If you mention something that's out of budget, you're going to pay for it, baby girl. Now I mean that shit, okay? All right, let's dive into the vlog. B-rolls coming right up, back to back, all the way from Sunday. It's your girl. Peace. Mwah. Happy Sunday. Hello, everyone. What's up? It's your girl Amy to the ZO freaking N, and it's another Sunday in Christmas. Today is carol service, you guys, and I'm gonna take you guys to church with me. So carol service it is. Let's go. Today is a Monday morning, you guys, and I am out of this house to go look for cash. Okay, so I'm going for an event this morning. I don't really know the type of event I'm going for, and that is because I'm going for that event as an event hostess. Okay, so when I get to the venue, I'll know what event is happening because I didn't really ask. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I love my makeup so much. You guys love it as well. I'm doing like a smoky eye touch to things, and then net leash is always short hair because I'm being an event hostess here, like an usher. So I'm not carrying my big afro today, you know. Good morning. Good morning. So let's get inside the hall so you guys see the progress of things so far. Okay. This is what I look like. Okay, so that's the uniform for today, and we're going in there to coordinate and arrange people, know if there are special seats for special guests and all of that, arrange the girls so they can stand properly, and then we just get ready to work. For now, there are no guests coming in, so yeah, we still got time to chill. The mirror is dope. Like, what? The length, everything, the lighting in this place too is it's bomb. Use an old shoelace or just cut one of your pop socks, and that one is better because to stretch and you can tie and stretch. Guys, I've not gone swimming in 1 year because of earpins. Now we're doing it, okay? We're doing it. Thanks to Lisha and Zainab. Guys, you guys have not seen this face before. This is Ruthie. She's so hot. When we come down, you see. Ah, guys, so if you can hear me, we're at the pool already, you guys, and we're about to swim. But the girl without the makeup was just laying shit, okay? So yeah, let's do this, okay? Hey guys, it's time for me to swim. So yeah, let's head out here. What up? So we're done with our swimming today and it was fun. I'm so glad I came out, even though it was like a short notice type thing, but we're fucking shit up in the spirit, you know. Okay, well, but you guys, I just love, like, my skin is popping. Yo, can y'all feel my skin? Can y'all feel my skin? Okay, it's popping. Like, hello. Don't talk to me anyhow, okay? I'm not your man.
Feel like anything is missing.
Yes, that's the thing. No, I'm used to it. So even when I use it, I feel like I look awkward.
I need no for my attention. Attention. Yeah, some people are there, 2 or so.